Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off notification sounds for every message in Microsoft Teams. This instantly silences those repetitive, distracting alert chimes from ringing through your speakers every single time a colleague drops a line, letting you stay fully locked into your deep work without constant audio interruptions. First, open Microsoft Teams, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the interface header row, and click on the three dots, Settings, and More icon, sitting directly next to your profile picture. Click on the top option explicitly labeled Settings from the Choice drop-down layout to load your main application configuration panel. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Notifications and Activity tab, located near the middle of the left sidebar list. Move your eyes to the center section blocks and locate the main header row explicitly labeled General. Locate the specific setting switch toggle explicitly labeled Play Sound with Notifications. Click that tracking toggle switch to turn it completely off to permanently freeze the software audio engine from triggering a chime for incoming chat pings. While you are here, if you want to silence incoming call ringtones too, look directly underneath at the Play Sound for Incoming Calls and Notifications section and toggle that tracking switch off as well. Teams automatically updates your notification profiles in real time, so you can simply click the X button at the top right corner of the configuration window layout to close the panel and lock your quiet workspace rules into the software core. And that's it. Your completely silent, distraction-free text alert workspace configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.